guys, this is me again, your flight attendant Gracie, and welcome aboard to my channel. For today's video guys, it's gonna be a lifestyle vlog, so if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell button as well so you'll get notified on my next video, just like this one. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my fast smoothie recipes so that I can have breakfast any time of the night. I can go to work at midnight, I can go to work at 1, 2, 3, or 4 in the morning. So only means that I can eat any time of the night and day, and this is the fastest way for me to have my meal or to have something nutritious in my stomach before having my vitamins or my supplements, is to have a smoothie. So those of you who follow me on Instagram, I do show my blended smoothies and been asking me the recipe, and now I'm gonna show it to you guys one by one, so just keep on watching. The important ingredient of my smoothie is having a green leafy vegetable in it. Either I have a kale, spinach, or moringa, or what we call malunggay in Philippines. I just picked it in my terrace just now. So back home in Philippines, we have a lot of this, the moringa, or I don't know how we call this, moringa drumstick or malunggay. This is full of nutrients. Actually, this is the best if you can find this. It's really good. But yeah, since we can find also kale here, I have a kale and moringa and also spinach. So first of all, for my green smoothies, I always come up with half an apple, half green apple, and then half cucumber. So half cucumber, and I also prepared like a bit of ginger, and then half slice of pineapple and 1 banana, leaf of kale. So these are the ingredients of my one portion of smoothies. So if you guys see, this is and then I have a zipper bag or ziploc bags with me here, but I'm using a recycled ones because you know these are clean. I've used it from my previous smoothies. It just came from the freezer and I just cleaned them. So for me, I always believe in recycling as long as you clean it properly. And so okay, let's go on and chop our green apple. Maybe you guys are wondering why am I putting everything into half, because you know I don't want it that much, and anyway I have a lot of ingredients, so yeah, I put everything into half portion. Plus, believe me, this is a lot already. Whatever is this one portion that I'm doing right now is already good for 2. So now let's get a ziploc bag. This is the ziploc bag, so I normally put in the hard fruits first. Chop the ginger, half of the cucumber, half of the cucumber. Guys, I'm the one who peeled the pineapple, so medyo hindi siya maayos. Hirap magbalat ng kanya. So let's put that in here. And then let's chop the kale. And then whole banana. Why do I put whole banana and the rest is just half? You know, I like my smoothie creamy and I don't add up sugar anymore. I just add up 100 ml of nut box milk, which is almond milk or coconut milk or oat milk, 100 ml of it, and then the rest is water. When I put it into my NutriBullet, when I defrost it on the night time or a few hours before I blend it. There you go. Portion is finished, as you can see guys. One portion of my smoothie is finished. So now let's do the rest. So for my red smoothie, I also put red apple, half slice of apple, half slice of cucumber, overripe banana, and I prepared some frozen blueberry and frozen strawberry. It's 5 ingredients, plus I'm gonna put moringa. Portioning is also very important, so yeah, there you go. That's it. And let's not forget the moringa. Let's not forget the green ones, guys, because you know, veg is life. Especially picked moringa smells really good. If you guys like it, you can also put this bitter gourd or the ampalaya leaves in your smoothies. It will be really good, most especially for those, well, I'm not a health expert, but I guess it's really good, most especially for those battling diabetes, because I normally juice that up. Ampalaya or bitter gourd, I juice it up with cucumber, green apple, ginger and lemon. It tastes good, just to clean your skin. For those of you who are asking what is my skin secret, or like one beauty secret, that's what I normally drink if I want to detox. I drink it for 3 days. It cleans your skin talaga. I know it sounds ew, like my daughter always say ew. Ampalaya juice or bitter gourd juice doesn't sound so great, but it's so good for your health. So yeah, there you go, guys. I have 2 portions. This is my red smoothie and this is my green smoothie, so let's just keep doing the rest. I always believe in putting something nutritious in my stomach, so I'd rather have a smoothies first before digging into coffee or anything carbs that I don't get much nutrients in it, because you know, guys, our health is our only wealth nowadays, so we need to take care of our health. Here you go, guys. As you can see, I've already prepared, like this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days pre-made breakfast smoothies, because I ran out of banana. It's normally good for 10 days. So this is how normally it looks like in my freezer when I do before I sleep in the night or before I go to bed and I know I have a duty in the next few hours. I take it out from the freezer. And put it in here, and then I soak it with, as I said, 100 ml of nut box milk, almond milk, cashew milk, or it depends on which milk you prefer. Just 100 ml of it, and the rest is water. I blend it in the NutriBullet, and that's it. Your breakfast or your meal is ready. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you guys like this video, have an idea on how you guys gonna make your healthy smoothie, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe, stay gorgeous wherever you are. Bye for now.